Hey everybody, welcome back to Iphone Bloke, the Auto Tech Tuber. This is your host Amit, and in today's video presentation I want to talk about one of the most important and existing features which we all have at the context to iPhone photography. So I have got this iPhone with me. I've got a couple of iPhones. I want to show you how an iPhone will function with the help of autofocus mode. Okay, so let me just show it to you. So what you have to do, let's say an example that if this is the plant you want to shoot, this particular plant I'm trying to find out, if this is a plant you want to shoot, kind of take a picture and you want to shoot and make sure that the autofocus is locked. So how to do it, how to enhance the brightness and remove the brightness is what I'm going to let you know with the help of my other iPhone camera. So here comes my iPhone module which I have in front of me. Okay, I'm shooting a picture. Let me see if I can give you more brightness here. So the brightness, yeah, that's right. Okay, so this is the iPhone which I have, and the camera is on. All right, I'm shooting a picture. What you all have to do simply is just click over here, and when you click, you see an option called see AE/AF lock. That means the brightness has been locked with your camera photography. Now the same thing if you want, let's say, take it up or take it down in terms of brightness and sharpness, you just have to again press it here. Look at this icon with the sun. Let me just focus an icon with the sun over here. Okay, and then you just take it up. Now when you take it up, it goes up. When you take it down, it goes more brighter, let's say darker. Take it up, see, get it down. Once again, I'm showing it to you. Put it up, take it up, getting more bright. And if I do it down, it goes darker. So that's one of the features you have with iPhone cameras, which you can use. And this is very handy when it comes to shooting any photography or any photo. Let me just click a photo for you over here.